Next up is a business that indulges in a guilty pleasure.
What's up, Sharks? I'm Kelsey, founder and fearless leader at Doughp Cookie Dough. I'm seeking $450,000 in exchange for 10% of my company. I'm Dallas-born, California raised, and I'm loving life in the Bay Area, running San Francisco's first ever cookie dough bar. Life is crazy, and adulting is hard. But what if, just for a few moments, you could be transported back to your childhood, sneaking bites of cookie dough in the kitchen? At Doughp, we serve nostalgia by the scoop. We're here for the big kid inside of all of us. However, we're anything but childish. We're a millennial brand serving over 20,000 customers each month. I'm on a mission to get Doughp in every city in America through opening additional high-traffic storefronts, franchising, and expanding onto grocery store shelves. Sharks, this deal is too dope to pass up. Who's in?
We get samples?